The topic of my research is SDG 11 Sustainable City and Community. In Australia, 800,000 tons of textiles are discarded each year, about 90% of which end up in landfills. These behaviors are very important. The environment causes great pollution. Therefore, I advocate designing an environmental protection service in Sydney, mainly embodied in the barter replacement of recycled yarn clothing. This is also in line with the core of sustainable design and sustainable city development concept. Among the stakeholders are citizens and governments, as well as renowned fashion industry practitioners. The goal of the design proposition is to make the idle yarn clothes then can be recycled for secondary use to be redesigned and used to prolong life through environmental protection recycling. At the same time, the owners of the goods can get emotional continuation so as to realize the goal of sustainable yarn design and become the source power to promote the sustainable development of environmental protection and public welfare. My project is mainly divided into two parts, online website and offline exhibition. Next, I will introduce the project through the web page. This web page contains 5 pages. The home page begins. First of all, visualizing logo, color, and name all highlight the main idea of the project. It is green, giving new life to objects, a process of efficient recycling. This is an introduction to our team and an application form to join us. The next page about the yarn. First of all, let the user think about the problem and hope that they will see our introduction and respond to our call. This is a list of yarn items that can be recycled. The next page is remade page. It describes how to process recycled yarn. For example, how to tie dye yarn. Here are the video and the next version of the instructions. The next page is redesign page, and first there are some redesigned products. And this part is the story of a very influential knitting designer, and I hope more users can understand our concept. And this is a designer of our team and designers' works. We also call on more designers to join us. Last page, join. This part is offline exhibition design of cycle for the publicity of activities so that the public more intuitively understand and experience participate in activities. The exhibition is divided into 4 areas. Area 1, cycle service, store background and web page introduction and use. Area 2, yarn rendering demonstration, what should happen after yarn recycling. Area 3, and display area of redesigned products. Area 4, rest area. Exhibitors can learn more about our project and sign up for it in this area. Finally, if you are a designer or an environmentalist, anyone, I hope you can join us, join Cycle in Living Green.